and anoint the workplace. So this is a message from the Anglican Church of the Messiah in the city of Plainfield, New Jersey. The Anglican Diocese of St. Ignatius Loyola, United States of America, send this message. You can open it to you. Kemalo, if the message is
over American seal.
I see. Let's get it. I don't feel a net, you know. I feel a net. So then one man inquiry drum is for yes. Now, no, really. Okay. So if with this letter, I'm going to look here. The Anglican Church of the Messiah, Office of the Director and Director of Missions, December 20, 2022. Chief Chidozie Mwangu, spiritual leader, Akwa Spiritual and Traditional Medicines of Anambra State, Nigeria. The Chief Mwangu, Ray, official invitation to the anniversary, investiture, and community leadership and services award. Based on empirical evidence of your great services, care, and support to humankind in their various degrees of need in Nigeria and beyond, we extend this official invitation to you to be honored with the Messiah Humanity Leadership Award, MHL, United States of America, on Friday and Sunday, October 13 and 15, 2023, at Gala Night for the Messiah's Mission Strategy and Investiture Thanksgiving of the Anglican Church of the Messiah, Plainfield, New Jersey. Kindly see the accompanying itinerary of the celebration and consider the invaluable gestures of this American church. Your acceptance of this gracious invitation will be well appreciated by us. Faithfully, the Venerable Gideon ALUSI Missioner, PhD, SCP, FCTP, AP, UPF, JP, Rector, Dean of New Jersey Deanery, and Director of the Global Missions. www.messiahplainfield.org, Anglican Messiah 2018@gmail.com. Sealed by the State of New Jersey, Harry M. Watson Jr., Notary Public of New Jersey. Commissioner's expiration date is 2023. So, and this is the itinerary of the event that will start. The itinerary for the Fraternal Order of the Knights and Dame of Christ the Messiah USA, Ordination for Global Missions and Community Services Award. So this is the award, the itinerary of the event. This is the event that is bringing him to America. Yes, this is America. Yes. So this is a letter of invitation to engage this letter into all the embassy. Where the embassy. So my AJFU former about DS-160, the American Embassy website. So I can assist you to do it. No, maybe my laptop there here. So if you got a GT Bank, so I can put the file you send this here to the agent, get what is okay, the interview date, and US Embassy in Lagos or Abuja, the one you want to go. And they will do your passport. You want to have passport. Good. Good. So here's another appointment, Mama, there, feel give her online. So this is
I am a location.
Yes.
So about to do that. But today I'm going Igbo una go jade na mo na batale ndi bo na America wele ndi ara ma bia mandocha na abia America. Yes, a full invitation e wotara onya male jebebe na bombo ma ga be na mana woli wa na eme to ebe na bombo ma no ni mo na ka na bombo na what even full support. Good. 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 Oh, partnership in mission. No problem. Very good. I'm going to do I'm going to say, I'm going to Monday, Tuesday, next week, after this rotation.
I will be here on the 30th and Friday. I'll be here. It's an honor. An honor. Okay, I'm going to say something.
All right.
Yeah, because I hope you will be back soon. Yeah, I was in it.